On the occasion of auspicious ceremony of Govindgarh Public College LOR 6th convocation, I welcome you all. My heartfelt welcome to the chief guest of today's ceremony, Professor R.P. Tiwari ji, who is serving as the Vice Chancellor of Central University of Punjab, Bathinda. We are honored by your gracious presence, sir. We also welcome Dean College Development Council, Dr. Sanjay Kaushik ji, for gracing the occasion as guest of honor. Respected chief guest, here I want to share that Govindgarh Public College, LOR Khanna, was established by the steely resolve of Govindgarh Education and Social Welfare Trust, Mandi Govindgarh, to impart the quality education and brace the youth with the empirical knowledge to cope up the challenges of the world. Industrialist of Govindgarh town, serving society since 1977. Amongst them we have the august presence of Shri Raj Goyal ji, industrialist and philanthropist, who is right now serving as the Secretary of Govindgarh Education and Social Welfare Trust. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome Chairman of Govindgarh Public College, Shri Nitin Sagar ji, a proactive and dynamic chairman of the college. Sitting in the front row, we welcome our senior trust member, Shri N.K. Khanna ji, Shri Pyara Singh Kalsi ji, and trust member Shri Atul Agarwal ji and Shri Rahul Goyal ji. Thankful to you for accepting my request to be here on Sunday. I appreciate the presence of Dr. R.S. Chand ji, who is the principal of AS College Khanna as the Senator of Punjab University. And I appreciate the presence of Dr. Gaurav Tandon ji, who is Deputy Registrar at NIT Jalandhar and is the proud son of our founder principal, Dr. Suresh Tandon ji, for your benign presence. I welcome all the office bearer of Alumni Association, all the office bearer of Parent Association, and proud graduates. Along with, I welcome all the person from the media here. And the ladies and gentlemen, you all are welcome. For the last 21 years, GPC, situated at the village LOR, is tirelessly working with a vision to be a center of excellence with value-based education for the upliftment of rural and urban youth through societal responsiveness and by fostering the global competencies. Ours is a rural institute, but we have some of the achievements that I would like to read out. It's proud for me to read out in presence of our chief guest, sir. Like every year we got 10 to 12 top position in university in academics, and most of the teachers, like about 40% teachers have been awarded with Best Teacher Award. Our NSS unit was awarded Best in 2018-19, and NCC unit is Best Discipline Team by the 5th Punjab Battalion, Patiala. And every year we are receiving overall runner-up trophy or champion trophy in B division alternately from the Sports Department of Punjab University, and college is awarded Green Champion Award for consecutive 2 years by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Beside this, we also got A+ ranking in NRIST for our green cover on the campus and for using clean and green energy. College got appreciation certificate from the ministry for Karigari to Karobari for skill and entrepreneurship activities, and our college anthem that is in-house created by our 3 of the professors granted copyright this year only. Beside this, we have signed 12 MOU up to now, and we have been ranked 72nd at the zonal level by the Intershala, because maximum number of students from this zone has been enrolled for the internship there from our college. And we recently hold the placement drive where 183 students were shortlisted, and out of that 34 got the package starting from 2.25 per annum to 7.20 per annum, because ours is only a graduate institute. Mostly graduate student of BBA, BCA, BCom and BA have been appeared, so it is a big package for them, what we think. And college got appreciation in academic audit conducted by Open University of Patiala, and every year various activities are conducted. And now I would like to read out the report. This year we are conferring the degrees to about 200 students for session 2021 and 21-22. So allow me to read out some of the activities. During COVID pandemic session of 2021, we quickly adopted the online teaching learning practices, and when the COVID was started on 20th of March 2020, even in the second week, more than 50 videos of our faculty have been uploaded on the Facebook and our YouTube channel in vernacular languages. And the various activities conducted during COVID were the online quizzes, and to spread the awareness, various webinars were organized for the graduate students, and several competitions were also organized. And YouTube channel was launched on online teaching learning. Beside this, several faculty members were invited as a resource person also, because webinar was there. I myself delivered 25 webinar lectures as a resource person, and my faculty in total delivered 19 lectures as a resource person. And beside this, the webinar on healthy food and eating habits, Yog Bhagai Rog, share market operations, financial meet, a way to financial investment, how to deal with procrastination, how to master interview skills, Punjab Ka Sangeet, importance of social harmony, personality and skill development, national education policy, sharpening thinking skills, decoding syntax of English language, social intervention during COVID, and National Unity Day, social media, marketing and content writing, HR recruitment, HR operation, and overview of intellectual property right, polycystic ovary syndrome, National Press Day, and Constitutional Day was also celebrated, where the videos were posted by students on Instagram to spread the awareness about the Constitution of India. NSS student Rajkumar was selected for pre-Republic Day parade at Delhi, and electoral literacy cell also conducted various activities with SDM AMLO. NSS unit take out the Fit India movement rally, and also conducted online poster making competition, journal quiz competition. Lodi was celebrated, and various lectures on webinars on about 30 webinars on national education policy and NAC revised accreditation framework were attended and delivered by the faculty members. Beside this, Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education established a cell here, where one of the professors is the nodal officer, and all social entrepreneur lectures were delivered during the COVID only, and these were shared by the ministry on their FB pages. Beside this, various workshops on social entrepreneurship, Swachhta and rural engagement were organized, and our professor was selected first among the Punjab University declamation contest. 1 week workshop on artificial intelligence in teaching and learning was organized, and Basant Panchami was organized, and one of the initiatives taken during the March 2021 was to celebrate the Women's Day, where the 15-day activities were organized. I created a Facebook Suno Kahani Nari Ki Zubani, where about more than 32 ladies from different streams shared some motivational stories, and based on them prizes were distributed to them, and the chief guest at that time was Padma Shri Lajbanti ji, who has been awarded Padam Shri in Fulkari. She belongs to Patiala, so we invited her as a chief guest, and in that sense Women Day was celebrated. And we also conducted the international webinar of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Life and Legacy, where the resource person were from Pakistan, Mr. M. Iqbal Kesar, and Dr. Paramjit Kaur from Texas, USA. The Vice Chancellor of Punjab University selected me as a member of committee for the documentation of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji to celebrate the 400th birthday. So at that time, we organized that lecture. Beside this, International Mother Day, internet banking, lecture on internet banking, balanced diet and importance of fitness. And during that tenure only, Trust granted about 9 lakh scholarship to the sports persons and 23 sports persons and 240 means come merit persons. Beside this, we have created an NRI account also where 1.80 lakh were donated with the help of Shri Gauravji. And about the results, it's a matter of pleasure for me to declare that in BBA, BCom and BCA and PGDCA, our result is almost 100%, while in BA it is 93 to 94%, and in MA we have more than 50% first divisioner, while in BCom we have about 75% first divisioner, and out of that 30% are distinction holder in BBA, BCA and BCom. So some of the name I would like to take, like the student of BCom 5th semester, Tarun Jindal scored 9th position according to merit in Punjab University. BCom 5th semester result is 100% at that time. And Sheenam Garg scored 3rd position, Tanveer Kaur scored 3rd positions, and Tanisha Khullar of BBA 6th semester stood first by scoring 82.67%. She got 8th position as per merit in Punjab University. Chetan Verma of BCA 4th semester scored 1st position in Punjab University, scoring 94% marks. In 5th semester, he scored 2nd position overall in university in BCA. Jasleen Kaur of BBA 5th semester scored 9th position in Punjab University. Navneet Kaur of BBA 5th semester secured 11th position in Punjab University. Beside this, Nancy Gupta secured 4th position in Punjab University according to merit. PGDCA student Anchal scored 4th position in Punjab University according to merit. MA English 2nd semester student Suhasini Bhatia secured 5th position in Punjab University according to merit. BBA 4th semester student Tanisha scored 9th position. Pooja Kumari scored 16th position, and Manav Seth scored 17th position in Punjab University according to merit. These are some of the few students I would like to summarize and speak as much brief as I can. And we also organized webinar on vocational guidance and placement cell we are having here on topic how to become a police officer. Each and every resource person that was invited by the placement cell was either IAS or IPS. And we also organized webinar on Punjab women's hockey in 2021 Olympics, where the Olympiad Gurjeet Kaur was invited. We will deliver the webinar on NAC accreditation also, and after that how to become chartered accountant or company secretary, how to crack the civil service exam. Hindi Divas was celebrated, and District Bureau of Employment hold a Rozgar Mela in 2021 here. Student council was constituted in the college. NSS Divas was celebrated on 25th of September, and webinar on how to save yourself from cyber security, money management, and new research committee was constituted in 2021 as per new UGC regulations. NSS organized a poster making and elocution competition on the theme significance of hygienic food. Blood donation camp is a regular activity at the college, and I was nominated as member of standing committee of College Development Council, and after that the president of Sports Council of Punjab University. National Poshan Maha was organized, and Electoral Literacy Club also organized various activities like voter registration camp. And We received a certificate as a under Swachhta Action Plan from Ministry of Education. One act play on voter awareness and speech competition was held. Niti academic partnership with Microsoft MOU was signed. Welcome Future Cultural Program was organized. Expert talk on emerging trend in Punjab politics were organized. Significance of epigraphy on reconstruction of history, reflection from early India was organized. On character building and special reference to NEP was organized. Women's Day was organized every year. After that, our 50 students enrolled for national level Tally Prime with GST module certification, and they successfully completed that under the bridge courses. Several sessions were chaired at national conferences by me, and on 75th year of independence, a special lecture on Shaheed Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev Ji in freedom struggle was organized. Our alumni association organized a lecture on marriage versus live-in relationship. COVID vaccination camp was organized. Poshan Pakhwada was organized by NSS. And our alumni association also organized lecture on live your dreams and achieve. Department of Commerce organized digital entrepreneurship developing activities. A long list of activities were organized by them. MGRC declared the Govindgarh Public College Green Champion among all the colleges in district Ludhiana. Virtuous magazine was released. World Laughter Day was celebrated on 8th of May. Beside this, a lecture on menstrual health and hygiene management was organized. World No Tobacco Day was organized by organizing the webinar and rallies. Beside this, 6-day online workshop was conducted on music and heritage item that was in collaboration of Youth Welfare Department of Punjab University, Chandigarh. Professor Aradhana, Professor Ruchika was invited as the resource person. We organized a conference in collaboration with one of the colleges, and I was invited by Shaheed Mahindra Karma Vishwavidyalaya Bastar also as a resource person, and various FDP activities were organized at college, and we organized activity on parenting for the students. We also convened the youth leadership training camp during COVID on our WebEx. It was a 10-hour per day activity for 7 days in collaboration of Youth Welfare, where more than 400 students enrolled, but only 150 successfully completed that activity. Speech was celebrated, and poster making competitions were organized by the NCC and NSS. There is a long list of activity. I would like to give this in brief. Most of the teachers are member of Board of Studies, Academic Council, and some have edited books, some have completed their PhD, and some have done 3 to 4 workshops on national education policy. Some are acting as a nodal officer for NEP for university, some are nodal officer for MGRC, Government of India. I appreciate all the work done by my teacher. We have a dedicated faculty. Besides this, a national seminar on transformation of business through digitization was organized during COVID pandemic, where Dr. R.K. Kohli, Vice Chancellor of Amity University, was a chief guest, and National Education Policy 2020, a new landscape in education, its implementation, challenges and outcome was organized in association with Chaudhry Ranveer Singh University of Jeend, where 6 vice chancellors were the resource person. Organized a seminar of gender binaries, praxis, projections and reflections, where VC of IKG PTU, Dr. Sushil Mittal, was the vice chancellor. Recently we released the book based on that. 3-day residential free of cost workshop on research and academic writing in Indian languages, sponsored by Bharatiya Bhasha Samiti, was organized, where Dr. H.S. Bedi, Chancellor of Central University of Himachal Pradesh, was the chief guest, and Dr. S.K. Tomar, VC of Technical University Faridabad, and Dr. Ghuman, former Vice Chancellor of Punjabi University, were the resource person. There is a long list of activity, and we have signed the MOUs like with the Binu Rajput Films, because we are running journalism and mass communication cell for holding all the activities, between the Regional Center for Entrepreneurship Development and at Govindgarh, with the Money Recording Studio, between Bhavani Industries, and between University Muhammadin Siddarbag Rapping Indonesia, with Gurpreet Nursing Home and other nursing home, because we are running early childhood care subject here, with the Govind National College for sports facility, between Punjab Sports Department for weightlifting exercise for our students, with the SMC Global Securities, between Govindgarh Public College and the Unique International Club, where they have installed a plastic shredder here, because we have taken the pledge to make it a plastic-free campus. Our faculty have total published 95 papers. About out of that, 75 are in UGC KLS journals, and 2 books have been published about the sports achievement. Abhimanyu Pandey is international weightlifter. Lavdeep Singh represented the Punjab University in All India Inter-University Weightlifting Competition and Khelo India Games. Harjot Singh, silver medal in National Athletic Championship in short put event, represented the Punjab University in All India Inter-University Athletic Championship. Tejwar Singh participated in the Junior National Weightlifting Tournament and represented the Punjab University in All India Inter-University. Sakleen Tariq represented the India as a captain in Junior Asia Volleyball Championship. Rajbir Singh participated in World Parachuting Championship held at Italy. Tarandeep Singh bronze medal in SAF South Asian Federation Games and best athlete of Punjab University and a record breaker of 110-meter hurdle event. Rajinder Singh, international wushu player, represented the India in many international wushu tournaments. Besides this, our NCC's most of the students, like about 4 to 5 students every year got C certificate in NCC, and more than 30 students are awarded C certificate in NSS every year. Now, after this exhaustive exercise, my message to my dear students who are star of today's function: your degree is reflected in your behavior. So, whatever you behave, whatever you think, that comes into your action, and that becomes your behavior. And nowadays, character is the most important thing. Your degree is reflected in your character. You are the brand ambassador of GPC, so behave accordingly, because GPC is a value education, fostering value education in each and everyone. Now I pray to the God to surround all graduating students with His grace, bless all present under this roof with positive hope, so that they may move into the future with eager and open hearts. Oh God, help you all to put the knowledge, skills and insights gained through education for the good of all mankind. Dhanyavad. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम आपका। कॉलेज की गतिविधियों और उपलब्धियों के लिए जोरदार तालियां। हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं